Okay, let me hope that this is much better now in relation to. Okay. Can you guys hear the rumbling? Uh-oh. This is history right here for me. First time experiencing this, and it's about the eruption for me. This is about the eruption for me. Alright? So this is my birthday gift. Yeah. So for now it's just constantly rumbling. Alright, there is no sign of ashes yet. You know, we ain't smelling no sulfur just yet. Just the place keeps getting darker and darker and darker. Wow. I mean, if you know families and friends who are still in the danger zones that are saying that they're still not going to get out, I would advise you to reach out to them. Alright, because I mean, and it's the first time experiencing something, the best thing to really do is to get out. Okay? So reach out to your family, friends, tell them to get out, get to a safe heaven, and let us see how much this thing is going to get on. So I don't know if you can see, but right there we have people still walking. Alright. And there are still people coming all the way from Chateaubelair, Fitzhughes. I mean, they're walking right now. Walking right now. Somebody is saying that their father right in the corner, they can't get help to come up. What do you mean when you say that they can't get help to come up? I mean, they live where the sign is "Welcome to Rosebank." What I would advise you guys to do is to get on to the Chateaubelair police station. For those of you who are still worrying about family members who can't get help, decide not to move, get on to the Chateaubelair police station and notify them of these persons where they are living and see how much they can assist. Alright? The persons that you should be contacting right now should be the police officers. Okay, so nobody can't help to move my father evac. Get on to the Chateaubelair police station. He should have already been moved since last night. The fact that he can't walk, right? So I'm not sure if he was overlooked, whatever the problem is, whatever the reason is, or they need a ride. You see, this should have been done already by the Red Cross, where they went around and they identified those persons who would be needing a ride and possibly get them out last night, because that was done in Chateaubelair. Okay, they had a bus to take those persons who were just unable to help themselves out of North Leeward. So I would advise you to make a phone call. Make a phone call to the Chateaubriand police station and let them know what your situation is like. Okay? The number, just Google Chateaubriand police station. And you should be able to get it. See if you could find Chateau police station number, give me now.
Yeah, we get that.
So I'm going to put the number, I'm going to pin the number here for you. Right?
Watch them with chop boy.
I'm going to list the number for you so that you can see it. Excuse me, give them a call and see how much they can assist you with getting your father to a safe haven. This is not Leeward right now, and a giant cloud of smoke as a result of the Soufriere volcano erupting explosively this time. You have it? Just Google it. Yes, my sister said I tried to get her right since last night. Okay. I'm going to see how much. Okay, so it's 458-2229. Thank you, Laisha. 458-2229. Right, so the number is here right now. 458-2229. That's the Chateaubriand police station. So anyone with anybody who is at home, alright, and decide that they're not going to move, that is the number to get the Chateaubriand police station. And I've just seen one of the big buses that transported the elderly last night gone there, so maybe get on to the Chateaubriand police station and then they should be able to help you to get out. Alright then, thank you. She's saying that she got you. Can I roll out last night, man?
Alright. Here's your boy.
Yeah. Well, walk safe, man. Walk safe. It's sad. I mean, as I said, so many people still walking, you know, and hitching a ride. Yeah, so yeah, going good. Thank you to those of you who are wishing me birthday. As I said, this is a very, this is going to be the best ever birthday I've ever had in terms of memories. Okay? The Soufriere volcano finally decided that it's going to give me a visit on my birthday. The police tried to get somebody to assist. Ask them who that person should be. I mean, there should be a police team on the road right now, going around making sure that every single household is knocked up, ask people to get out. Alright? I mean, they can't say that they did it last night and people, yes, we know, you're dealing with humans. We can be hard-headed and stubborn from time to time, but one has to do their work, and the job of the police as first responders is to make sure that everybody gets to safety. Right? So there should be a team right now on the road, going around knocking up on almost every single door. Yeah, uncle. And making sure that people are mobilized and asked to get out. Alright? So keep calling them. Thank you again for the birthday wishes. Thank you. Keep calling them, Hippolyte, and just harass them, you know. Not in a bad way, but keep calling them, letting them know that your father is at home and that they need to. Sure, you see me, daddy. I don't think your daddy is still in Rosebank or no. Maybe he left already. Sherry, I'm not sure if your father left already. Happy volcano, but the calling, if it's not somebody else, eh? Thank you. Yeah, pin. So at the moment it's still rumbling and the giant cloud just keeps spreading its wing, heading up to the west, you know, going more to Barrelly side. Okay. And then it's a bit clear this side still to the east. I honestly didn't believe that I was going to be able to see such a thing like this, okay? After hearing about this thing as a child growing up. You know, every Easter around this time. Is it something synonymous about the volcano and Easter? You know, every Easter around this time before we go visit it, of course, our parents and grandparents would remind us, as in 79, how they had to run. And, you know, they heard loud noise like thunder and everything. Right, so to actually experience it like this right now, I mean, yeah. Okay, somebody is saying that they were a small child. They bought it. Yes, definitely I bought it to remember. Yeah. Look at this, my people. And I was just about to take a shower, you know, and I was just about to shower and exercise, and then I just heard and then I saw this giant cloud started, you know, going up in the air, and I'm like, okay, this is my cue. I need to get out. So I didn't even get to do my workout session this morning. But to be experiencing this, it's a joy. I mean, that may not sound good right now, but to be able to speak of something like this in the future. So no longer am I going to be sharing second-hand information. I'm now going to be able to say first-hand that in 2021, on April the 9th, I witnessed an eruption of the Soufriere volcano. Okay? Yeah, we still have some people to get out. And you know what happened? A lot of people were saying that they were not moving. As soon as they heard the rumbling, I saw him start scrambling. Right? So we only not moving until things happen. And there we see the sun trying to peep out again. Alright. But going to the west, it has no chance because of the huge dark clouds. Okay. But the sun is peeping out from the eastern side of the island. And this side is pretty clear still. Pretty clear over here still. But right now we cannot see Richmond completely. Richmond is completely out of sight right now. Richmond is completely out of sight. Alright, so I'm just doing this for a bit and then I'm heading to my safe haven. Okay. It's just rumbling. We didn't see any big explosion, you know, our grandparents talk of pebbles and stones being flung all the way far up in the air, you know. We haven't seen any of that or heard any of that just yet. It's just the rumble and the huge body of smoke, you know. Thank you guys, I'm definitely staying safe, alright? I'm on top of a hill with a vehicle ready to get me out. How are you guys feeling otherwise? I mean, for me, as I said, it's going to be a historic day for me, a historic eruption. Remember to cover your nose and face, yeah, definitely. But to see that we're smelling, I'm not smelling the sulfur just yet. You know, we ain't seeing any ash just yet, so nothing big possible. We still have some people, I could see them in the corner there coming around. We still have some walking coming up here. Thanks for doing the live show, it's very much appreciated. No, I'm not aware if there is any boat or any other mode of transport coming to Hollywood, but there should be vans. I'm saying this, yes, you guys, you asked people to move last night, and it seems as people were a bit hard-headed, right? But still, there should be boats on its way down, there should be vans on its way down to get these stubborn people out still, okay? And for those of you with any trouble again, do not be afraid to contact the police station. You know, they should be able to update to give you. I'm sure you not move. Thomas. Boy. Oh, you're bad man, wait, bad man. You see? I let them say that the word that moving here on the road. But you know what they said on one of the previous one is that some buses went up the hills. I don't honestly forgot about dog, but I pray that they did. And that they are already moving to a safe heaven. Okay, I'm filming from the hill in Chumuka, just above Rosebank. This is where I'm at right now. Yeah. Oh, it's your mother's birthday as well, Agnes. Happy birthday to her and happy birthday to every single one of you, as of course, who did born on this day. I'm going to give some special shout outs to a number of people who, of course, I am privileged to work with, attend school with, who are born on the same day as well. Shelly Robertson, happy birthday, baby girl. Atika Franklin, these are my birthday twins. Atika Franklin, happy birthday to you. Sasha Thomas, happy birthday to you as well. Happy birthday to your mom and every single one of you on here who may have a birthday. Someone with a birthday, happy birthday to them. And this is definitely going to be a birthday that they're going to remember. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, Gabby. I'm staying safe. Say hi to mom and dad for me, and all the best to you guys all the way in Miami. Okay. Oh, happy birthday to you as well, Yan. It's one of the best days to be born on. Don't tell nobody I said that. Not because the volcano in Europe. It's one of the best days to be born on. Okay? Back to this.
What? Here we go. When me do me house, me
There we have a few people. Look at this man. Besides that he's walking with his livestock. People want to move, man. So only one sheep you take with you? Only one here? And in lab. Alright then. Secure it. Yeah.
Why me don't reach home and come back?
Why me don't care? Oh, man, sit last.
I said last night, sit up there, but me sleep.
Somebody is saying that it's beautiful there. It's a beautiful view, of course, when it's a lovely day, you know, where the sun is out, shining and you know, but it's getting darker and darker now.
What is that nice now? You see how many now kick off?
Yeah, boy, wicked.
My look great, fucking sweet boy.
Okay, so I'm now seeing ash. Okay, so ash is now falling. Yeah, I'm now seeing ash on my hands. Ash is now falling. Yeah, the rumbling is in the background. It's from the volcano. It's from the volcano. This is St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Somebody's asking what country? Yeah. So this is my cue now for me to get higher up because it's started to ashes now dropping and it's time for me to get out. Okay, take care, every single one of you as well. I appreciate the greetings. Thank you guys, and I'll catch up with you guys when I